What God is saying now is a matter of asserting his power, of demonstrating his power, coming down to do the unusual. God coming to solve the problem of sin, the problem of sicknesses, the problem of diseases, the problem of self, the problem of worldliness, without much ado of doctrine. I need to tell you, many people have been learning about sin, learning about self for decades, yet they have not been delivered. There are several approaches that people have taken on the doctrinal issues just to help humanity, especially believers. The problem persists. I need to tell you, doctrine does not say. There is no doctrine that can heal the sick. It is God's power.